Before you go off and spend hundreds of dollars on some storage accessories for your Tundra, check under the back seat, seriously, because there's some things there that Toyota includes that not many people know about that might save you some money, and they're actually really practical. So let me show you. The first thing that you're gonna see when you pull up your seat, and it might be on the other side of that seat, is Toyota actually includes a first aid kit in probably all their vehicles. I'm not sure. It was in my Tacoma, it was in my Tundra, and in that first aid kit, you know, you have some simple stuff like some gauze, some gloves, a mask, you know, anything that you could need when you're in a pinch, you know, whether you're stranded on the side of the road, off-roading. But it's a great little touch from Toyota. I don't think I've ever had another vehicle manufacturer include something like this. So that's number one. The second thing you're gonna find when you're under the seat here is these storage dividers. Now, when I had my Tacoma, I didn't know these were in here. I didn't find this out until just recently. But these are great because if you look under your seat, you'll see there are little divider slots here, and it kind of creates a nice area for you to be able to put stuff back here and not have it roll around. That's one of the biggest issues I had with the back here, is you throw something back there, you can hear it rolling around when you're driving. But now look at this, you can fit a perfect 12-pack of beer, soda in there, and it's not gonna roll around, not gonna get shaken up. Now, there is some more slots further down. The smaller sections down here, you're gonna have a wider section over there, but this is great for me. I put my trailer hitch back here, tow straps, a couple Aldi bags, but I'll put some stuff in here and show you how well it fits. So as you can see, this is kind of my normal setup. I got my hitch and 3 straps, because you never know when you're gonna need straps. And then usually on this other side, just have a Aldi bag, and who cares if that floats around. Now the last thing that comes out of the seat that's actually really useful are these tie-down cleats that slide into the deck rail system in the back of the bed. So I'm gonna actually open these up, and I'm gonna show you how they're used and show you why you should use them and why we should appreciate Toyota a little more. Don't mean to suck up to them a lot, but hey, free stuff when you buy a, you know, $60,000 truck. I'll take anything I can get. So your truck comes with 4 of these tie-downs. As you can see, they have a little metal anchor that slides into the deck rail system. So there's actually these notches within the deck rail every, like, let's just say 4 or 5 inches, and you'll be able to feel them. I'll show a close up. And so what you're gonna do is obviously stick the anchor in sideways, and when you do that, you push in this knob and twist it, and at that point it locks into place, and you can tie it down or tighten it down. And then when it's tight, it catches, so you won't over tighten it, and then you got a solid mounting point for any of your cargo, whether it's luggage, a motorcycle, dirt bike, whatever. They're rated for 220 pounds, so they definitely have some strength to them. Once again, I feel like I'm a shill at this point, but free stuff that's practical that they include with your truck, I'm not gonna complain. I'll recommend this all day. So if any of these tips helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. We got plenty more Tundra content coming, hopefully. Some more reviews, ownership videos, you name it. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.